Hallo, guten Abend. Heute haben wir unseren letzten Unterricht schon fertig gemacht, aber ich möchte sagen an alle, die Rückmeldung über dieses Programm Fall Semester 2025 just completed, Alhamdulillah. So actually Fall Semester 2024. So I want to get the feedback of the students. How did they feel? What is their feedback about the course? Whether they liked it or not. Actually, one by one, they will give their expression about the course. So first of all, I would like to ask Mr. Onuravo Diganto about the course and how did he feel? What's his opinion actually? Today, all of them completed successfully their final exam. So one by one, first of all, Onuravo Diganto, Bite.
For giving me the opportunity. So basically, actually, the 3 months journey was very interesting in the German language class. German is not that kind of easy, but when Azad sir is teaching us, the teaching method, the teaching style actually made us that no, this we can do, and he always inspired us that we all can do. So I never afraid coming to this class. I always want to come this class to enjoy, with to think or to learn something from the other sir. And also interesting thing in this course is that there are different ages people were here. So in here we have a very little boy, his name was Muaz, and also some corporate bhaias were here. So matching and just learning with them was very interesting to me, and Azad sir was really best, and this is my best course I will say in BRAC. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your special views and opinions. Thank you. Good luck. Okay, Mr. Muaz, our little genius, do you want to say something? It can be Bangla, it can be English, it can be Deutsch. Egal.
First of all, I want to thank to Azad sir to give me this opinion, to give me the chance to give my opinion about this course. So this course was a coincidence for me, I will say, but I learned a lot of things from this course, and this course gave me a lot of knowledge about the outer world without my country. Like I started thinking about the outer world so that I can I can see me in that country. Yes, I can go to out of this country, or I can learn more knowledge about many things. But this was a memorable time, that this 3 months I learned a lot of things in this university. I went come in this university before I got into this university. So it was a very interesting journey and a very I will say enjoyable journey for me. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Rajiv.
Hello,
Okay, please.
hello,
Hello.
guten Abend. Honestly, the journey was fantastic, with very energetic and friendly teacher, with Abul Kalam Azad sir. He's a very friendly, cooperative teacher, so that's why the journey was for me, it was very easy, and I hope that we all do very well in future. And the journey was in one word in German, Super, fantastic coaching. So inshallah we'll do best, and we'll try our best to do something great.
Thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Now, Mr. Apurvo, bitte.
Thank you, sir,
As
for
a
giving me
dynamite.
the floor. সবাই তো ইংলিশে বললাম, আমি বাংলা।
Yeah, please. I do appreciate this one as well.
মানে আমার কাছে আসলে ক্লাসগুলো খুবই ভালো লাগছে, স্যার অনেক ফ্রেন্ডলি, আর স্যার অনেক ফান। ক্লাসেসগুলো অ্যাটেন্ড করে আমি কখনো বোর্ড ফিল করি নাই। যদিও আমি তো ব্র্যাকেট স্টুডেন্টস, আমার 5টা পর্যন্ত নর্মালি ক্লাস থাকে, নর্মালি একটু ক্লান্ত থাকি, বাট স্যারের ক্লাসে আসলে নিজেকে মানে আরো জীবন্ত ফিল হয় আমার আসলে, কারণ স্যার এরকম ফান অ্যান্ড হি এনগেজেস উইথ দ্য ক্লাস আ লট। সো আমি এই ক্লাসটা আর কি মিস করবো, অ্যান্ড আই হোপ যে মানে পরে আবার স্যার আমাদের জন্য একটা ব্যাচ স্টার্ট করবে।
Inshallah, I will try my level best. Done? Thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Noki.
I just want to say that we learned a lot of things from you, sir. It was a very great experience, and this was a great opportunity for us to learn about different culture and another language. So I wanted to thank you and all my classmates over here. It was a good time together these last 3 months. We learned a lot. We had a lot of fun, etc., etc. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Anika, what's your views about the course?
Sir, this course made us enjoy the new language. First of all, we thought it would be a very tough subject or language to learn, but you made it so fun and easy for us. We'd like to thank you for that. These 3 months never felt like 3 months. It was felt like 1 month, and our class is ending today. We can't believe it. So it was a very good experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all of you, for your valuable words.